Let's learn how to make inside and outside stroke for text using Kittl. So here we have some type here, and there's a difference between inside stroke or just normal stroke and then an outside stroke, which would be like an offset path. So I'm going to show you the first one, which would be a normal stroke that's going towards the inside, and it's this border weight slider here under text color. So as you can see, I'm moving it to the right, and you can see it's going towards the inside. It's making basically the outer line of the text thicker, but as you can see, as you go really thin, it gets maybe a little hard to see, or if you go all the way in, it may not give you the effects that you are wanting in it. It is perfect for some use cases, but in other use cases, it may not be exactly what you need. So now to get an outer weight or an offset path, you can click either the block shadow or the 3D block shadow on the right here. Both of these will give you this outline width slider. So let's just go with block shadow. I'm going to make this black, and then what I'm going to do is turn the offset off. I don't need it for this, but what I do need is the outline width, or what is essentially a perfect offset path. And as you can see this, it's creating an outside stroke. So the stroke is going outward instead of inward on the text, and you can see right away there's a very big difference here where everything is staying intact. The composition of how these letters are in relation to each other, as well as the lines that are inside, are all perfect. They've not been blown out or anything like that, which may occur with regular stroke. So now once we have done this, what we can do is go and we can create a different highlight. So if we go and create detailed 3D shadow, it remains our current outside stroke or our offset path, but then we can choose a different color for the highlights, or like a bevel, if you will. So you can do a lot of really cool things here with these two effects. Now, another really great thing is once you have the outer weight how you want it, you can of course go in and type any other word that you want. So instead of what we had, maybe we type hi, and then if you want a different font, you can easily go in and select a different font, and the effects have stayed the same. And you could also go in and of course change your colors to anything else that you want. Of course, you can change both the inside and the outside color. So we can select the second color, and then we can choose something different for the stroke or the outline weight.
Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.